Welcome student. This is my channel Educare Maths and Science. Previous 3 or 4 video I discuss the basic algebra. You know the like term, you know the unlike term, you know the coefficient, you know the binomial, trinomial and other things. Polynomial also. Which one is the polynomial? And now today I discuss the polynomial of linear polynomial. Which one is the linear polynomial? And the first step of the addition in case of algebra. You know the addition in the arithmetics 2 plus 2 is 4. Suppose 6 plus 2 plus 2 is 4. In case of algebra 2 plus 6 is 8. You know this. But in case of algebra these are two part is there. This actually numerical part. But in case of algebra these are two parts are there you know. You know very well that is one is the numerical part and one is the literal part. That is very important. You just carefully add or subtract in this. Just I discussed here. First one, which one? This was the very important thing. Polynomials. What do you mean by linear polynomial? Linear polynomial means only the you know the degree. 1 degree polynomials of 1 degree is called the linear polynomial. Suppose here 2x. The degree means the in case the literal part. So this is the power is 1. This actually the degree. Suppose here 3x square plus 5x plus 2. This is a term. You know, this is the first term, second term, third term. So 3 terms are there. So what do you mean by the degree? Just a revise. First one, this is the variable part. The variable part, this is 1. Here is 2. 2 means you write in case of exponent 0. So this is a variable x a variable. Here is 0 power, here is 1 power, here is 2 power. So degree means the highest part. So in case of this arithmetic expression, what is the power of this? This is 2 because the power is 2. So the degree is 2. Degree, D-G-R-W, degree is 2. So this is thing. But in case of the linear polynomials, what do you mean by the linear polynomial? The degree is 1. 1 variable, 2 variable, nothing factor, but the degree is 1. So linear polynomial means the polynomial of 1 degree. Suppose here is an example. I write here 3x plus 7. 1 variable, x is 1, 1 variable. And what's the degree? Power is 1, the degree is 1. So this is called the linear polynomials. In case 3x plus 5, these are 2 variables, no problem at all. But the degree is 1 because this is also 1, this is also 1. So degree means all these different part, different terms, the maximum. So here is the 1, here is also 1. So degree is 1. So this also a linear polynomial. In case this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. But the 3 variables are there. 3 variables and the 3 terms are there also. Here is 2 terms, here is 2 terms. Here is 1 variable, here is 2 variables, here is 3 variables and the 3 terms. But the degrees is 1. So here is the 1 degree. So 1 degree we call the linear polynomials. Understand? So no problem at all. So very important thing is this. The one thing is there. And now one thing, just a previous videos I discussed what is the like term, what is the unlike term. So just revise this. Like term means suppose 3x, 11x. I write here. Like term depends on the literal part. Not on depends on the numerical part. Numerical part এর উপর ভ্যালুটার উপর কিন্তু ডিপেন্ড করে না, যেটা x y z এইগুলোর উপর ডিপেন্ড করে। সাপোজ this is 5c and this is 7c. So this is called the like term because the literal part cc. This called the like term. Very important thing in case, okay, in case of addition and subtraction, you properly understand the which one is the like term. Suppose here 7x square y and here is 11x square y. So this actually like term. You just consider x square plus y, x square y. So this is called the literal part. If the numerical part is different, no matter at all, but the literal part is same. So this called actually the like term. So here, this is a like term or not? You just say, this is a like term or not? Suppose here is 5xy and here is 5y, suppose yx, or here is 11yx. This is like term or unlike term? This is also like term because this is xy. Here you write yx. Yx means same. Actually the multiply. Multiply 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 2 also 6. That means xy, same thing. Yx also. Yx also same thing. So this is the like term. But the confusion arises if, suppose here, this is suppose 6xy and here is 6x square y. 6x square y. 6x square y. This is the like term. No, because this is xy and this is x square y. The numerical part is same 6, but this is xy and this is x square y. So this called the unlike term. First you determine which one is the like term and which one is the unlike term. Unlike term, cannot you add it, cannot you subtract unlike term. Multiply and division is okay, but in case of unlike term, you cannot add it, or subtract it. Same thing in case, suppose 5 kg rice, 5 kg rice and you added 10 kg rice. So 5 kg rice and 5 kg rice, 10 kg rice. So here is the literal part is rice. Value is 5 kg rice or 6 kg rice. 6 plus 5, 11 kg rice. Both are the rice, same thing. But you cannot add 5 kg rice plus 6 kg wheat. You cannot write it. This continuously, but বরাবর এটা 5 কেজি রাইসই থাকবে আর 6 কেজি হুইটই থাকবে। তুমি 5 কেজি চালের সঙ্গে তুমি 6 কেজি গম অ্যাড করতে পারো না, বিকজ দিস আর নট দ্য সেম থিং। এটা সেম থিং নয়। সেম থিং না হলে অ্যাড করা যায় না, সেম জিনিস না হলে অ্যাড করা যায় না। তুমি 5টা পেনের সাথে 5টা পেন্সিল অ্যাড করতে পারো না, 5টা 10টা পেন পেন্সিল এভাবে কোনো কথা হয় না। Okay, that is the very important thing. You just understand which is the like term, which is the unlike term. 5টা পেন্সিল আর 6টা পেন্সিল অ্যাড করা যায় না, এটা বরাবরই 5টা পেন্সিল এবং 6টা পেন্সিলই থাকবে। This is a very important in the common sense is there. You cannot say 5 pencils and 6 pencil, 11 pen pencil. What this 11 pen pencil? That cannot be add or subtract. So that is actually 5 pen and 6 pen. Pen. So this is a like term. So 6 plus 5, 11 pen. Or 7 pencil plus 2 pencil, same like term. So 7 plus 2, 9 pencil. So understand? So this is the very important thing in case of addition and subtraction. Very important thing. Okay, here is 3x. X is the literal part is same, 11x. So this is a like term. 7y, 10y, literal part is same. So okay, but here is 5x, that is 5y. So literal part is different. This is x, this is y. Maybe this is the magnitude, the numerical part is 5. So this is the unlike term. 10c, 10a, literal part is different. 10, the numerical part is same. So this is the unlike term because this is a, this is c. 12b, 11z, b, unlike term, z. So b and z is the unlike term. Okay, so this is the very important thing. Okay, now you just understand which one is the like term, which one is the unlike term. In case of algebra, so 2 parts are there. This is the numerical part and one is the literal part. So literal part, when the literal part are same, you can add it. So in case of addition, actually the 2 process in case of addition. One is called addition 2 process, horizontal process and column process. Horizontal process and column process. Suppose here 2x plus 3y, 1, and there is 5x and 7y. So in case of horizontal process, you just write in this way, 2x plus 3y, use the bracket, add 5x plus 7y. This actually called the horizontal process. Out of bracket, this is a 2x plus 3y. In case of out of bracket, if this is nothing, that means 1, and this is nothing, that means sign is plus. So actually plus 5x. And this plus 7y. That is the rule of simplify actually. That is the rule of simplify. Here I write down the rule of simplify. Same sign addition. Suppose 2x, 4x. Same sign add. 4 plus 2, 6x. And sign is this. This actually called the same sign add. Suppose here is minus 2x, minus 4x. Same sign, add 4 to 6x and the sign is minus. This is a very important rule. Same sign addition, same sign add, both plus plus or minus. Plus 2x plus nothing, that means 2x and 4x, 6x, minus 2x minus 4x, same sign add 4 to 6 minus. Okay, the confusion arises when the opposite sign sub. Suppose here minus 4x plus 2x, what you do? You add it. Suppose you add it. In case of addition, the rule. But the rule says opposite sign sub. Opposite sign sub like term. Both are the like. In case of nothing like term, addition and subtraction cannot be possible. So all are the like term. But here is the opposite sign. This is minus, this is plus. Opposite sign subtraction. Not in case of multiply, plus minus minus. You cannot multiply it. The very important difference. Opposite sign subtraction. Subtraction, 4 is greater 2. So 4 minus 2, 2x. Now determine the sign. Which one is the greater? 4 is the greater. What is the sign? This is minus. So minus. For that reason, sign of answer is the sign of the greater value. Greater value 4. Or sign ki? Which was the sign of this 4 is minus. So minus 2. If this is reverse, suppose this is a 4x minus 2x. This is the very important thing. If you just rule of multiplication, you cannot apply the rule of multiply. This is the simplify. Plus minus minus, okay, this is right. Plus minus minus, this is okay, right? But here is not applicable. Like this. Opposite sign, just the rule of this. Opposite sign sub. Opposite sign, there is plus, there is minus. Opposite sign sub. Sub means 4 minus 2, 2x. Now, which was the sign of the answer is the sign of the greater value. Greater value is 4. What is the sign of this plus? So, answer is plus. Here is not the rule of plus minus minus. That is the basic difference in case of simplify rule and in case of multiply. But you cannot multiply it. Multiply 4 to the 8. There is 4 to the 8. No, this is a simplify. The rule of simplify is difference of the rule of multiply. Here you apply plus minus minus. Okay. Here is plus minus minus. No, the answer is wrong if this is minus. Because the greater value 4 is sign is plus. এখানে বড়টা হচ্ছে 4x, তার সাইনটা কি প্লাস। সো আনসার ইজ প্লাস। এখানে বড়টা হচ্ছে 4, তার সাইন মাইনাস, ওই জন্য মাইনাস। তোমরা এইভাবে জিনিসটা শিখবে ইন কেস অফ অ্যাডিশন অ্যান্ড সাবস্ট্রাকশন। ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট থিং। অনেক স্টুডেন্ট এই জায়গাটায় গন্ডগোল করে ফেলে। তারা সবসময় মাল্টিপ্লাই রুলটা ইউজ করে, কিছু কিছু সময় রাইট হয়ে যায়, বাট অনেক সময় গন্ডগোল হয়। যেমন এই জায়গাটায় দেখো, দেখো প্লাস মাইনাস মাইনাস তুমি সাবস্ট্রাকশন করছো, তুমি বিয়োগ করছো, প্লাস মাইনাস মাইনাস তুমি সাইনটা বসালে প্লাস মাইনাস মাইনাস, এই রুল অফ মাল্টিপ্লাই দিয়ে মাইনাস, সাবস্ট্রাকশন করলে 4 থেকে 2 2। বাট এখানে সেটা অ্যাপ্লিকেবল হবে না। এখানে কিন্তু প্লাস মাইনাস মাইনাস করলে 2, এবার প্লাস মাইনাস মাইনাস করলে এখানে কি সাইনটা মাইনাস হবে না, এখানে সাইনটা প্লাস হবে। এর রুলটা কি? এর রুলটা হচ্ছে রুল জাস্ট ফলো দ্য রুল। অপোজিট সাইন সাব। হেয়ার ইজ দ্য অপোজিট সাইন, তুমি সাব করেছো। হেয়ার ইজ দ্য অপোজিট সাইন, তুমি সাব করেছো। ওকে, সাব করলে। নাও সাইন অফ দ্য আনসার ডিটারমাইন সাইন অফ দ্য গ্রেটার ভ্যালু। এখানে দুজনের মধ্যে এর সাইনটা কি হবে, ডিটারমাইনটা কে করবে? এখানের মধ্যে বড় কে, 4 না 2? 4টা বড়, তার সাইন কি? তার সাইন হচ্ছে মাইনাস, ওই জন্য এটা মাইনাস। এখানে কি, এখানে 4টা বড়, তার সাইন হচ্ছে প্লাস, ওই জন্য প্লাস। ওকে, আমি বোঝাতে পারছি? ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে এই জিনিস, জাস্ট ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড, এই সে ঠিক সে শিখো। দিস দ্য রুল অফ সিম্পলিফাই। Same sign add, opposite same sign add, no problem, here is no problem, but the problem arises here. Opposite sign sub, opposite sign sub হয়েছে, এখানেও সাব হয়েছে, কিন্তু এখানে সাইনটা মাইনাস হয়েছে, এখানে প্লাস হয়েছে। Why? For that reason এখানে কিন্তু প্লাস মাইনাস মাইনাস হয়ে এটা রাইট হয়ে যেতে পারে, এটা রাইট হয়ে যেতে পারে, এটা কিন্তু রাইট হবে না। তাহলে রুল অফ মাল্টিপ্লাইটা এখানে লাগাবে না। এখানে হচ্ছে এইটা, সেম সাইন অ্যাড, অপোজিট সাইন সাব, সাইন অফ আনসার ইজ দ্য ডিটারমাইন অন দ্য সাইন অফ দ্য গ্রেটার ভ্যালু। গ্রেটার ভ্যালু 4, তার সাইন হচ্ছে মাইনাস। এখানে গ্রেটার ভ্যালু 4, এর সাইন হচ্ছে প্লাস, এখানে প্লাস। ওকে, আমি বোঝাতে পারলাম? নাও সো হিয়ার ইজ দ্য অ্যাডিশন, অ্যান্ড ইন কেস অফ out of bracket you always multiply from this multiply rule. What is the rule of multiply? Rule of multiply, plus into plus plus, that means minus 3 into plus 3, plus minus minus 3 3 is a 9, plus minus minus, plus minus minus, this plus 5 into plus 4, So plus 4 5 20. Plus. Answer is plus. Okay. So this is the thing. Here is minus 4 into minus 4. So minus plus 4 4 20. Minus plus. Okay, 20. Now if this is plus 3 into minus 5. Plus minus 3 5 15. Plus minus 3 5 15. Okay, so this is a rule of multiply. Rule of multiply, plus into plus minus plus minus and minus plus. আমি একটা সোজা জিনিস বলতে চাইছি, যখনই দুটো সাইন এক হবে, দুটো সাইনই এক, প্লাস দুটো সাইন এক তখনই প্লাস, দুটো সাইন একই আছে তাহলে প্লাস। যেমনি দুটো ডিফারেন্ট সাইন হবে, যেমন এটা প্লাস এটা মাইনাস তখনই মাইনাস হয়ে যাবে, যখন এটা মাইনাস এটা প্লাস তখনই মাইনাস হয়ে যাবে। এটা সহজে মনে রাখার জন্য জাস্ট ইউ রিমেম্বার ইজিলি, if there is a two sign are same, always plus. If there is a two sign is different, always minus in case of multiply, rule of multiply. Okay, so now very important thing, but the rule of simplify is different. Very important thing is this. Now here, this called the horizontal process, just you add it. Now first you write the same literal part side by side, same literal part side by side. Now rule of simplify, same sign add, here is the same sign add 7x, same sign add 10y. Okay, this is the form of the horizontal process. This actually called the horizontal process. Okay, 2x plus 3y, 5x plus 2x plus 3 out of bracket 5x, this, so the same literal part side by side. So 5 same sign add, this is addition because the like term and this is separate like term, so this is addition. You cannot further, this is the answer, you cannot add it because the different unlike term. Okay, so now if this is you do in the column process, so just column process is this, you write in this way, 2x plus 3y, and here is 5x, 2x, the x এর নিচে same term x এর নিচে, there is no sign, that means plus, and here is plus 7y. You add, but rule are same sign add, so plus 7x, same sign add plus 10y. This actually called the column process, and previous this actually called the horizontal process. Okay, the very important thing is this. Now the different pattern of the addition. Now here is sum, I just write down here, is a sum. I just solve it in the two way. One is, this is I write down the sum, this is first I write in the horizontal way. So this is 3x square, I write the bracket 3x square minus 5xy, this is plus 4y square minus 1. Add, so sign is add, bracket 7y square minus 9xy, and this is 5, and add, this is 7xy minus 4x square plus y square minus 30. Okay, so I just, this the given sum, I just add in the horizontal process first. Horizontal process, that means you write, there is nothing, that means plus, always add, there is nothing, that means 1. So out of bracket always plus, actually 3x square minus 5xy plus 4y square. Be careful when you add or subtract. Now just you out of bracket, when out of bracket there is nothing, that means actually plus, and here is nothing, that means 1, that means plus out of bracket plus 7y square. No problem at all, don't be panic, just gradually you increase, gradually you understand. Now very careful, plus minus, here is plus, here is minus, plus minus, this is 9xy and now plus 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 5y. No problem. Out of bracket first. Now here is also, this is plus, the plus 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 7xy. This is plus minus minus 4x square plus 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 y square plus minus minus 13. This is the horizontal way. Now the next, you just side by side the like term. First one, the like term. Here is 3x square. So you write 3x square and you find where is x square, x square, x square. This is x square. You write side by side. No problem. Actually segregate or like terms together. This is x square and this is x square. You take sign is this. Now, no problem. 5 minus 5xy. Where is my xy, xy? Here is xy. So 9xy. Just carefully you take it. Xy. No problem. Oh, here is also an xy. So this is very careful. Plus 7xy. Okay. Now this is 4y square plus 4y square. Where is other y square? This is 7y square. 7y square you take. Here is also a y square. So this is y square you get. Okay. Now what is the left? 7y square you take. This is. Now minus 1. Minus 1 plus 5. Be carefully just grouping this. Okay. No problem at all. This is called the horizontal process. Now here is the rule of simplify. Simplify. Same sign addition, opposite sign subtraction. Opposite sign subtraction. So 4 and 3, 1 x square. Or you write x square. Which one the getter? 4. What is the sign of this? This is minus. So here is minus. Same sign addition. First you add it. Don't be hurry. Same sign add. 9, 5, 9, 14 xy. And this is plus 7. Next step I do it. Okay. Don't be hurry. Now these are all the same sign. Same sign add. 7, 4, 7, 12y square. Same sign you add. Minus 13, minus 1. So minus 14 and plus 5. তোমরা যদি এইভাবে করো কোনোদিন অঙ্ক ভুল হবে না। ডোন্ট টু বি প্যানিক। ধীরে ধীরে একবারই করবে, রাইট করবে। ইন কেস অফ ম্যাথমেটিক্স ইফ দিস প্লেস ইজ রং, লেফট পার্ট অল দ্য প্লেস উইল বি রং। এক জায়গায় যদি তোমার ভুল হয়ে যায় সমস্ত জায়গায় অঙ্কর ভুল হয়ে যাবে। ওই জন্য অঙ্ক যখন করবে প্রতিটা স্টেজ কেয়ারফুলি করবে। যদি তোমার এইখানটা ভুল হয়ে যায়, এখানটা ভুল হয়ে যাবে, তাহলে পুরো জিনিসটাই বেকার হয়ে যাবে, জলে চলে যাবে, এত ওয়েস্ট হয়ে যাবে। ওই জন্য প্রতিটা স্টেপ ধীরে ধীরে ঠিক করে করবে, একবারই করবে, ভালোভাবে করবে। ওকে, সো নাও this is the minus x square and what is this is the opposite sign sub 14 and 7. Here is greater 14, the minus 7xy. Here is 12y square. Opposite sign sub 14 and 8. 8. Now 9. 9 and 5, 14. So this is the answer. No problem at all. This is the answer. Clear? So this actually called the horizontal process. Now this process, you just, this is the answer, you write down the answer here. Minus x square minus 7xy plus 12y square minus 9. This is the answer ultimate in case of the horizontal process. Now you write. Now you do the column process. Which one is easier to you? You do it this way. Which one? The two processes are there. Which one is easier to you, understand to you very easily? So you do it in this way. That is your choice. Now this is a column process. In case of the column process, first you write 3x square minus 5xy plus 4y square minus 1. Okay. Okay. Now very carefully. This is 7y square. Where is y square? You write in this way. Plus, this is the very important. Choose in this way. 7y square, the 4y square. Just below this. 7y square. Okay. Minus 9xy. Where is xy? This is. So minus 9xy. You just segregate it or separate it in this line. Okay. and this is 5 means plus 5. Okay, right, plus 5. You segregated here. Okay, now here is plus 7xy. So plus 7xy. Okay, minus 4y square. Here is minus 4y x square. X square. Here is now 9. No sign of this plus. Plus y square. Here is plus y square. And here is minus 13. So you add it. But the process, same process is followed. Same sign addition, opposite sign subtraction, the sign which one is the greater value. Okay, don't to be panic. Here is 2. This is the opposite sign sub. First one, sub means 4 minus 3, 1x or 1x square. Which one is greater? 4. What is the sign minus? Okay, very important thing. Okay, now this is the, in case of rough work, this is the same sign addition. That means you rough work 9, 5, 14. xy, and here is plus 7xy. You just rough side. Now the opposite sign. Now the opposite sign sub. Sub means 14, 7, 7xy ultimate answer, and this is greater is 14. Sign is minus. Okay, no problem. Here is the same sign at 12y square, and this is first same sign at minus 13, 1 minus 14 and plus 5. Now the opposite sign sub 9. Which one is greater? 14. The sign is this. The same answer is coming. So minus 1 x square, that means actually minus x square, minus 7xy plus 12y square minus 9. Two way, but answer is same in this way. Okay. So this is the very important thing in case of addition. Like term, unlike term, you know. Okay. সো তোমরা এইভাবে জিনিসগুলো শিখবে এবং রুলটাকে ভালো করে খেয়াল রাখবে। বারবার একটা জিনিস বলে দিচ্ছি, বেশিরভাগ 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 ছেলে মেয়েদের ভুল হয় কিন্তু ওই জায়গায়। বারবার বলছি এইখানটায়। আবার একবার দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি আমি। সাপোজ লাইক টার্ম নো প্রবলেম, 3x and minus 2x, same sign addition, addition. So you write minus minus plus, ওইরকম করতে যাবে না। দিস নট দ্য মাল্টিপ্লাই, দিস মাইনাস মাইনাস প্লাস, তুমি প্লাস করে দিলে 5x, সাইনটা কি হবে এটা, তখন কিন্তু প্লাস সাইন হবে না, প্লাসটা হচ্ছে অ্যাডিশন। তার চেয়ে বড় জিনিস এই জিনিসটা শেখা, সেম সাইন এক 3x 2x, যাই সাইন সেটা বসে গেল। হেয়ার মাইনাস 3x প্লাস 2x, এইখানটা মারাত্মক, এই জায়গাটা শেখো, সাইনটা গন্ডগোল হয়ে গেল। তোমরা যদি মাল্টিপ্লাই রুলে যাও, প্লাস মাইনাস মাইনাস প্লাস মাইনাস মাইনাস, তাহলে 3 2 কত হচ্ছে 1x, প্লাস মাইনাস মাইনাস বসিয়ে দিও। রুলটা কিন্তু সেটা না, আমি বারবার একটা জিনিস বলছি, গন্ডগোলটা এখানে। এখানে কি অপোজিট সাইন সাব, 3 থেকে 2 বাদ দিলে 1, আর কে বড় 3 ওর সাইনটা বলবো, এটাই গন্ডগোল হয়ে যাবে 3x মাইনাস 2x। এবার কি হবে, তোমরা যদি ওই রুলে ফেলো প্লাস মাইনাস মাইনাস, সাইনটা কি হবে অবস্ট্রাকশন, তাহলে মাইনাস এখানে হচ্ছে 1x, সাইনটা এ বড় এর সাইন। তার চেয়ে মেন জিনিসটা হচ্ছে সেম সাইন অ্যাডিশন, 3 2x সাইন যেটা বসে গেল, প্লাস 3x প্লাস 2x, সেম সাইন অ্যাডিশন 5x প্লাস, সেম সাইন অ্যাডিশন, অপোজিট সাইন সাব, তাহলে 3 আর 2 সাব হলো 1, সাইনটা কার যে বড় তার। ক্লিয়ার? ইন কেস দিস ইজ দ্য অপোজিট সাইন সাব, কে বড় এ, এই দেখো এই 3 বড় তার সাইন বসে গেল। ওকে, so this is the thing. You just understand properly. I try my best to understand you in this way. If there is any problem, ask me in the comment box. Now next day, this is the addition. Next day I discuss the subtraction. Okay, if you understand this or like this, so like my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you for the next day. Okay, good day, ভালো থেকো।